Completing squares. Find the vertex for the given parabola in standard form. Y equals to 2x squared minus 4x and y equals to minus 2x squared plus 10x. You can copy the question, provide your solution, and then check with mine. Here is my solution. So in this case, we have a constant term equals to 0, right? So it's kind of different from the previous cases, right? So first step is exactly same, which is factor 2, the leading coefficient. What you're left with is x squared minus 2x. The next step is we have to do half of 2, right? The coefficient of x, and add and subtract its square. So half of 2 is actually 1. So we'll write plus 1 square and minus 1 square. Now as you can see, we do have a perfect square from the first three terms, and that is x minus 1 whole square. And we can write minus 1, which is square of 1. Now let's open the brackets to get the answer, which is 2 times x minus 1 whole square minus 2. Now from here we can say vertex is at minus 1 means 1 and minus 2, right? At x equals to 1. Now since this parabola opens upwards, we have a minimum at this value, right? As you can see, this parabola, since this is positive, right? We have positive here. It opens upward, so we have minimum. So the parabola is going up. Let me show you the next example also. Now in this particular case, we have minus as the leading coefficient, right? So we'll take minus 2 common, and we are left with x squared, and plus and minus become minus 5x, correct? Now minus 2, we have x squared minus 5x. What is half of 5? 2.5 you can write, but we'll go with fractions. We'll write 5 over 2 and make it square. You can also write 2.5 and add and subtract half of this number with its square. Now the first three terms form perfect squares. We get x minus from here 5 over 2 whole square minus 25 over 4. We can open the brackets and get our answer, which is x minus 5 over 2 whole square. And when you multiply with minus 2, you get plus 25 over 2. So at this time, we have vertex, which is at 5 over 2, and the value of this time maximum, since it is negative leading coefficient, of 12.5 or 25 over 2. Right? So this parabola opens downward. So we have a maximum at the vertex. Okay, so that is how we can do this question. Thank you.